Ka Shillong Municipal Board ke SMB, hagas ni ningkong kala Pynkynriah ya prapun Ri Ngut ki Nongdie Madan, na Laitumkhrah ki Jaka di jingdi balabo kerpang hadahan kiti, bad ha Brightwell bangalo habaring, kani kesinjam kalong ban pinkho ye ki linti ya ki jan bad ki surong, knang ba ki paidbah nong lai nongwan kinla ban pindan kamsong ye ki linti bad surong. CEO ke SMB PK Boro uloong bakajing Pynkynriah kawan Hadien kajing bniah kabla aipor shibnai ki Nongdie Madan uloong ru bakajing Pynkynriah Jaka kalong bitmu lupa baki Nongdie ki la kongu maniatrelang barke SMB hagaju kapor uboro la pentip ba ke sorkar kadang ai jingera pisai ki Nongdie jingdi bar ki Nongdie Madan ki basyakta habakli halor ki Nongdie marbam ki badang shongdi shilenter ke surok jail road uloong ba kata kedai kamat kapa pher bar ke SMB kan sa shimkhia kat kum kajing don kam.
Jangan try dah, kita yang tadi try dah beli.
Lalu itu badan kita berfat.
The status of the municipal.
No, here we have got 86 houses. All will be located in the ktien, private bungalow. Everything is arranged, everything has been done. They are obeying, they are complying, they are cooperating with us.
No,
thank you.
Are you accept not the complaint of the hawkers? But it's said only one day. If they cannot good selling.
No, this is not about 1 day, 2 days and all. We have issued already the relocation notice, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
So they are accept or not that?
Yeah, they have accepted, all accepted.
And sir, regarding the hawkers from the jail road, sir, what about them, sir?
What about a different issue?
Okay, so can you tell us, sir, because
That's
they
a
were...
different issue. We'll take action accordingly.
Iperti yang tak ke Iwan, kuwi ke peram kuat kanai pi.
Ivanไปคันแรมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พะกามนี่ทำเป็นโปดเองกินหลักพา
Bun sen kibru juk kli phagi yang tang ki khmat phom chna yi ya phayo dai
còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tọt là bốn gà gram tem ít tiệt đi kì có con đây nè
dạ khi biểu ngài nên mà em khi mà vào đây tâm anh em già hết
em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu.
Kami dapat di yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bawa cina bawa thai suruh.
ngaku ai ama lại
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sempol desain gua ar dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan juga sempol desain.
Ini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
kam pada terang la do mesin dia skeda kamu kwa